Hello creative minds, want to give your shapes a colorful twist? Let's add a gradient to your shapes in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express and start a new project or select an existing one. Select the shape you want to add the gradient to. Once the shape is selected, click on the color fill options. Choose the gradient tab from the color option. Pick a preset gradient or create your own by adjusting the starting and ending colors. You can also change the angle or direction of the gradient for that perfect effect. Combine gradients with multiple shapes for a unique layered look. Play around with different color transitions to create eye-catching designs. If the gradient feels too bold, adjust the opacity of the shape or colors for more subtle gradient effect. What's your go-to color for gradients? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.